This Fabulous Lightning McQueen right here is so super rare that even Mr. Docket himself doesn't even have one. Yes, he did say to me that he didn't have one of these, and yeah, I don't even know how I managed to get this, but I got it from a private seller on eBay who was doing auctions, and he's got a very, very unique expression. Here is the regular Fabulous Lightning McQueen from 2017, that rhymes, regular Fabulous Lightning McQueen from 2017. And we can see here the expression difference is very, very different. Now this one here is a fake, this is a backdoor factory custom, how us collectors like to see it. But this is why we buy these backdoors. Look at the difference. I mean, apart from, the decals, they're exactly the same. The only thing that's different is the expression, and I am glad that I got it. So, before we get into the expression, and of course, which diecast does it actually copy, here is an image on the side of the screen of where Fabulous Lightning McQueen does appear in Cars 3. So yeah, there is the expression again. We can see very nice smiling decals. The expression is there, Rusties on the top. The 495s, the Lightning McQueen signature on both sides. We got the lightning bolt. We got the Lightyear rims in red. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Very, very nice. We got the Rusties again on the back for Doc Hudson. Very nice. On the back, the headlights are actually a different colour. This is the official release. This is the factory custom. We can see the yellow headlights are way different. Very nice different feature there. Here is the side again, as we can see. And again, here is that expression. So, what, of course, diecast does this copy? You might wondering, is it just a basic, like, Meta? No. Is it a basic other Lightning McQueen with a different expression? Nope. It is the most random Lightning McQueen you could actually think of. That is the Daredevil Lightning McQueen. Or, of course, the Daredevil McQueen without the teeth, which I'll leave in the background here. But yeah, it is really strange how this expression has been copied from this one, even though you can see the teeth there. It just doesn't match. It just doesn't make any sense. But I'm so glad to actually own one of these. And before I do forget, here is the base. Let's flip it over. There is the base, made in China. Of course, model car. So they can get away with shipping it out with like no cost whatsoever. So yeah, that does pretty much end this video on, of course, this Fabulous Lightning McQueen. I didn't expect it to be too long, but here we have the Thailand variant, and we have the regular release here too. Comment down below, do you like this variation of Lightning McQueen? And of course, if you have one, please let me know. Please DM me on Instagram, which by the way, at the time of recording this, I'm only on 55,000 followers. Thank you all to follow. But until the very next video, which should be on a short or a full video, peace guys.